Have you ever felt like you're stuck with your level of likability? Well, think again. It's time to debunk the myth that we can't actively influence how others perceive us. In this captivating video, I'll reveal the secrets to becoming universally likable. Yep, you heard that right. Literally anyone can become fond of you by implementing a few straightforward principles. Let's unlock the power of charm together. I'll reveal 5 transformative principles from Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People that turned me from a shy teenager into a confident, sociable individual. Principle 1. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Ever notice how people light up when they talk about themselves? It's like a natural high. So why not make them feel good by encouraging them to share their stories? Most people love to feel heard and understood. Ask open-ended questions that invite them to elaborate. Practice active listening by giving them your full attention and showing empathy. By encouraging others to talk about themselves, you're building strong bonds based on trust and respect. Be a great listener and watch your likability soar. Principle 2. Give sincere appreciation. Think about the last time someone sincerely appreciated you. It probably made your day, right? That's the power of genuine recognition. It's about acknowledging others' efforts and qualities, making them feel valued and respected. People can tell when appreciation is genuine, so it's important to truly mean it when expressing gratitude. For example, when your friend does something thoughtful, like remembering your favorite snack or checking in when you're feeling down. Take a moment to express your gratitude. Let them know how much their thoughtfulness means to you. It'll strengthen your bond and make them feel valued. Principle 3. Win argument by avoiding it. Imagine this, you're caught in a heated debate, tensions rising, voices getting louder. It's a situation we often find ourselves in more than we'd like. But what if I told you the best way to win an argument is to avoid it altogether? Instead of focusing on proving yourself right, prioritize understanding the other person's perspective. Choose empathy and active listening over winning. By so doing, you can prevent conflicts and build stronger connections. Remember, listening, seeking common ground, and showing empathy are powerful ways to win. Principle 4. See things from others' POV. It's important to recognize that others may hold beliefs or behaviors we consider wrong, but they may not see it that way. Instead of criticizing them, strive to understand their perspective. There's a reason why they think and act as they do. Try genuinely putting yourself in their shoes by considering how you feel or react in their situation. You'll save yourself time and frustration. This embodies the 4th principle, sincerely seeing things from the other person's point of view. Principle 5. Smile. The final principle, which may be the most crucial and straightforward, is to smile. Actions carry more weight than words, and a smile communicates warmth and appreciation. Dogs and babies are adored because they exude joy, eliciting positive reactions from others. The impact of a smile is profound. But what if you're not in the mood for a smile? Force yourself to do so or engage in activities like whistling or singing to lift your spirits. By projecting happiness outwardly, you can cultivate inner contentment. Remember, true happiness stems from controlling your thoughts rather than external circumstances. Try smiling at the next person you encounter and witness the transformative effect it has on their mood. We've covered 5 principles for improving how others perceive us. The more often we apply them, the more likable we become, and the easier it is to remember to use them ourselves. Let's go and do this now. That's all for this video.